he's listed as a guy who might be phony. You know, but now people are saying McKinney.
He played a great 5 whole games that 15 season and 2 whole games.
What's the forecast right now?
Well, yeah.
Waiting to get back in the car.
I just brought like my neon green shirt and just be behind it. And then you can have me like a tornado. Just put some epic music here. So where are we heading?
You know, we're gonna cut north once we get Whitesboro.
Well, I don't know. Do we want to go to Sherman or Whitesboro? Sherman's farther, but it has the northeast highway.
I mean, I would think we go to Sherman, but
Okay.
I really don't
It could
care.
be the same distance. Because he said we should probably go to Sherman then.
Out of that tornado risk, okay, for Oklahoma City. It's not going to happen here. That's a great thing. Let's go downtown. There's a lot of flood. And this tornado is getting stronger. The fog is getting a lot tighter.
That's just the radar just comes out of the sunroof.
Well, we'll see if he goes north here or not. So it doesn't really matter. We're going east anyway. I don't think we can get up to that one.
Yeah, that one has a severe thunderstorm warning.
Well, but do you think it might go right by us? I mean,
Like, let's see where Durant is.
Well, it's pulling north a bit.
you're north of us, but we're east right now.
Yeah.
We're going a lot faster.
Wait.
We can just head
We
there.
might be able to.
Speedham, Texas. I just said we'll see what these things do.
I mean, that's good. If anything's gonna produce today, it's gonna be the Falls Valley.
Have something.
Well, like, we want to be in an open, flat area where we're slightly elevated. That's the perfect, because we can get a wide view of our surroundings. Nothing sneaking up on us from the trees like in Mississippi. Like, you don't know it till you see the tree next to you ripped out of the ground.
It's the rotation.
Like, we may have to head a little bit out of Durant, like north, but we'll stop in there and see what we can see.
Well, if it gets rain, there's a northeast option. We have to hit that.
This is going to be for far northern Carter County. It's going to be a tornado warning now for far northern Carter County.
No, that's too far north.
Well, no, the southern one, the southern Falls Valley. Yeah, northern.
One south of Ardmore, we can make it.
Whatever it's called, yeah, south of Ardmore. And that's the one he said tornado warning on.
And stop.
Because the one below that's going to do the same thing.
Technically out of our viewing area, but it will impact Madill. The tornado would be just to the east now, Overbrook, tracking to the east towards Madill under a tornado warning.
That's ours.
That's
Out
ours.
of your viewing.
Yeah, it's going north of Durant now.
North of Durant. Okay.
You might want to pull north. Yeah, we might have to go past Durant.
Okay, because the southern storm.
Is there an eastern option in Durant?
Yes, there is.
Okay, you just gotta make sure there is an east option.
Yeah, there is 70.
Okay.
Friends, family, anybody care about business, whatever.
Tornado warning just got increased. Yeah, we need to take the first exit, otherwise we're in the path.
Our tornado warning got increased?
Yeah, it got increased.
Okay, we're in the path then, so that's probably...
No, get off. I mean, Highway 70, okay, once we get going.
Yeah. Like,
Wow.
we could go like north to Antlers and then go into State Highway to Telfair.
This rain is from the more southern storm. And this rain is from the storm way south. It's coming towards us now.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Yeah,
It's way
a little
north.
farther north than here. We're right on the edge, so... See, that looks straight up.
I know.
See the cumulonimbus? That's
Oh,
it.
wow.
That's the storm.
Man, look at those clouds.
I'm drenched.
Oh, yeah, I'll let you know. Or you let me know if you see them, okay? Okay.
This is it.
Yeah.
Well, he's saying this is the...
No, this
30, maybe 8 o'clock. Now, we do have some more thunderstorms in parts of west and central Oklahoma, but they are not severe.
Yeah, there it is. You see how that was lower?
Is that rotation?
Yeah, that's it.
It's right there. Come over this way. Think big. Yeah.
It's behind the trees. And it's big. It's big. You see that leading edge?
Look at himself.
There it is. Hang on. You see?
Yeah.
Cuts right there. Cuts right there. It's a wedge.
It's a wedge.
It's a full scale wedge.
Anthill.
How is that not anviled yet? Look how tall that is. The heck?
The cap was high today.
That's weird,
Oh,
bro.
now.
No, that was big. You would have done a lot more. It would have done.
Take the next right toward Fairmont Road, then turn right onto Fairmont Road.
I think that's it.
Yeah, that's it. There it is. There it is.
Down.
Moving too fast.
Still in Grady?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna park.
Yes, let's go.
Quarter mile, turn right on Arnett Street.
It's roping out. It's off the ground.
A rainbow and a tornado, bro.
Let's see. Is there any way I could zoom in?
No, just.
Wow, that goes all the way up. Do you see it? Now it's coming up from the other cloud. That's a really tall tornado. Yeah, it's just roping out. Just sitting there. Take some pictures. Okay, so we have a
It stays.
previously wedged tornado, now stovepipe lowering back to the ground that had a rainbow.
That had a rainbow.
Nice.
Yeah, let's turn around.
Right along the
Wow.
Yeah, that just.
right along the road. Yep.
Oh, wow.
See, there's
Wow.
one. Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, it came right.
And that explains why the fences, I thought maybe.
Yeah, it came right here, didn't
So,
it?
yep. So here's the.
This is all the damage.
Yeah,
Wow,
we can
neat.
see some stuff blown there.
See, there's a. So right there hit these folks' property.
And I tell you what, it's in a sparsely populated area, and that's a good thing to have going on. But nonetheless, people still do live down here, and that's what we were blowing and going on this deal. As that was a big threat.
Until about 30 miles east of Ardmore.
There's the house.
The
You
Marshall
get the
County
house shot.
emergency manager says the victim died near Highway 377 and 98.
Yeah. There's a hole. Yeah.
Trampoline.
Look at the trampoline wrapped
Yeah.
around the tree.
Oh my. Oh.
Oh.
Someone speaking outside of the facts likely on the ground. Okay, this is where
It's got on it. Which way we head? West.
We're headed straight to 35 now.
and these are small communities.
It's trying its best.
Just piece that back in. It's an indication that the averages for the vehicles from various areas. So really most of the
motion in those tornadoes in Oklahoma. They are the fastest in the world. And Grady Evans, there's always a rainbow someplace, and in this case, it's a tornado with a rainbow. That's an amazing picture right there from Grady Evans. Let's take you to Chopper 4, and we had the video.